Good morning, students. Already now discussed about the topic is polynomials, third chapter. Okay, previous classes discussed introduction part of the polynomial, nth degree polynomial. Okay, next zero polynomial, degree of the polynomial. Next one is second part is discussed about that value of the polynomial. Now discuss the sums. Now today discussed about the topic is a very important topic, the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Already we know that general form of quadratic polynomial. What is the student general form? Ax square plus bx plus c where a not equals to 0. Okay, find here relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, listen all of you carefully. If alpha and beta, here alpha symbol, okay, and here beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c where a not equals to 0, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are factors of the p of x. Already alpha and beta zeros, so x minus alpha and x minus beta are zeros. Okay, here zeros of the here zeros. Okay, then find the factors of p of x. Okay, product ax square, therefore ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Some k into here x minus alpha into x minus beta, where k is some constant. We have to product. Okay, Nana, we have to product. So here k into product of two binomials, Nana. Product of two binomials. X into x, x square. X into beta x, beta x. Here alpha into x minus alpha x. Negative into negative, positive. Okay. Alpha into beta, alpha beta. Here, okay, Nana, here minus x is common. Remaining is alpha plus beta. Okay. K is then product kx square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k alpha beta. So, okay, what is the given quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to kx square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k alpha beta. Okay, here comparing the coefficients of x square and x and constant terms on both sides we get compare. Here a is equal to x square coefficient, here k, here x square coefficient a, so a is equal to k, first one. Next one, coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x, what is the coefficient of x value here? Minus of k into alpha plus beta. Okay, here b is equal to minus of k into alpha plus beta, and constant term c is equal to k alpha beta. Okay, what is the value here? B is equal to some minus of k into alpha plus beta. Here what is the k value, Okay, what is the k value? A. Okay, here b into minus of a. Substitute a value is equal, k value is equal to a, substitute k value is equal to a, that is equal to, therefore minus a is equal to alpha plus beta. So here minus a, transposition of the left hand side, minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and here constant of c is equal to k into alpha plus beta. Already we know that a is equal to k. So substitute k value here a, that is equal to a into alpha plus beta. So here multiple a, transposition of the left hand side, division. So c by a, that is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to minus c by a. Therefore, so sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial, what is the formula? quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula na? Minus b by a. Okay, what is the general form? Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So write it in words na. Okay, write it relation between zeros and the coefficients. Already write it zeros na. Okay, write it coefficients, relation between. So what is the minus of coefficient, minus of coefficient of x? Why? Because here coefficient of x value, what is the value nana? B. So minus of coefficient of x by a. What is the for? Okay, coefficient of x square, what is the value nana? A. So coefficient of x square, that is the sum of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus b by a. Inverse write it in the coefficient, minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Second one is product of zeros. Product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Product of polynomial, what is the formula na? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is the formula na? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, c by a. C value is the constant term. So c value constant term by a value is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. The very important formulas nana. Once all of you listen carefully. Sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. In the coefficient relation is minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is equal to alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay nana. The relation between coefficients constant term by constant of coefficient of x square. Okay nana. Relation between zeros and coefficients of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, what is the formula? Sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, alpha product of the zeros is equal product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, for example, listen carefully. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. The zeros and the coefficients. First of all, then find the zeros and write the relation between coefficients. Okay. Solution. What is the given polynomial? Given that p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Already is given now. Okay. So the given polynomial, find the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. So the value is equal to p of x value is equal to 0. So if p of x value is equal to 0, so polynomials also totally 0. This value, the value of x square plus 7x plus 10 is 0. Why? Because zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, what is the what is meant by 0 of the polynomial? The number for which the value of the polynomial is 0. Any polynomial is 0. Okay, that is equal to when p of x is equal to 0, that is equal to 0 is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. So x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Already we know that previous class in 9th class IIT. Okay, what is here in the quadratic quadratic equation, splitting of the middle. term, splitting of the middle term. What is the constant value here? 10. 10, write it the factors and the splitting of the middle term. Okay, what is the factors? 2 and 5. 2 5 is 10. 2 plus 5 7. So x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, these two factors common value, common factor x. So x plus 2. Here these two factors common factor 5 x plus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, x plus 2 is the common factor, x plus 2 into remaining is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Product of any, okay nana, two values a into b is equal to 0, which is can be written as a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Okay, so write it, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 over x is equal to minus 5. So x values, x is equal to minus 2 comma minus 5. Okay, minus 2 comma minus 5 are zeros of the given polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. X square plus 7x plus 10. So therefore minus 5 comma minus 2 are zeros of the given polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. So already we know that, already find out zeros now. Already find out zeros. Here alpha value is equal to minus 5, beta value is equal to minus 2. Okay, write it first two. Sum of the zeros. What is the formula? Here therefore alpha is equal to minus 5, here beta is equal to minus 2. So sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Okay, find zeros. Sorry. Only find zeros. Okay, sum of the zeros. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a. Okay, write it alpha and beta. Find out alpha, beta. Write it. That is equal to alpha is minus 7 or beta is equal to minus 2. Added both, minus 5 minus plus into minus 2. So that is equal to minus 5 minus 2. That is equal to minus 7. Which is can be written as minus 7 by 1. Minus 7 by 1. That is equal to here minus of coefficient of x, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Okay, here see all of x square plus 7x plus 10 is the given polynomial. Okay, here what is the value here? X square coefficient 1, x coefficient 7, constant term 10. So minus 7, which is can be written as minus 7 by 1. So 7 by 1 minus 7, minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, the one of the relation. Next one is product of zeros. Next one is product of zeros. What is the formula? Alpha, beta. What is the formula of the zeros? Is completed product of the zeros is equal to alpha, beta. What is the alpha value, nana? Minus 5. Beta value, what is the value, nana? Minus 2. Okay, product negative into negative, positive. Okay, negative into negative, positive. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 10 can be written as 10 by 1. That is equal to 10 now. Already we know that given polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 now. Here x square coefficient 1 now. X coefficient 7 now. Constant term is 10. So constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay na? Understood all of you? Okay. What is the first of all concept, the relation between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. Previous example, quadratic polynomial is given, then find the zeros and relation between, write the relation between zeros and coefficients of a given quadratic polynomial. Here quadratic polynomial, find out sum and the product of the zeros are given. Okay, how can you find out it? Let the quadratic polynomial be, what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equals to 0, and sum and product of zeros are what is given on -3 and 2. That is sum of the zeros alpha plus beta, that is equal to -3. Product of the zeros, what is given on 2. Therefore, write it the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Already previous discussion, what is the condition? Some k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is constant. So some k into x square minus alpha plus beta, what is the value nana here? -3. Substitute -3 plus sum of product of the zeros, what is the value is given nana? 2. Substitute. Okay, that is equal to some k into x square, negative into negative, positive. Here x positive 3x plus 2. Okay, so k we can put different values of k. So when k is equal to 1, that is equal to, when k is equal to 1, so 1 into x square plus 3x plus 2, that is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. That is the required quadratic polynomial. Therefore, required quadratic polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, here observe here x square plus 3x plus 2. Product, okay, sum of the zeros, what is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here minus 3 by 1, so minus 3, satisfied. Product of the zero, c by a. Okay, c constant term is 2. Here coefficient of x square value is 1. c by a, that is equal to 2, satisfied. So it is a required quadratic polynomial. Okay, next example, students, listen all of you carefully. Here, find the quadratic polynomial if the zeros of its are 2 and -3 by -1 by 3 respectively. Okay, first example, quadratic polynomial is given, then find the zeros. Okay, find the zeros and write the relation between zeros and coefficients. Second example, okay, find the quadratic polynomial. Okay, given sum and the product of the zeros. Okay, is given, then find the required polynomial. Here zeros are given. Find the quadratic polynomial. Okay, let the quadratic polynomial be general form of quadratic polynomial. What is the condition on ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equals to 0, and and its zeros are, what is zeros nana here? What is zeros? 2 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, here alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta, what is the value? 2 plus minus of 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 plus into minus 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 1 by 3. So LCM 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. Alpha plus beta, what is the value nana? 5 by 3. All product of the zeros, alpha into, okay nana, alpha into beta. So 2 into minus 1 by 3, that is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators, minus 2 by 3, that is the alpha beta. So therefore ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, what is the condition nana? Some k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k is constant, some k into x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, what is the value nana? 5 by 3. Substitute 5 by 3 into x plus product of the zeros, alpha beta, what is the value nana? Minus 2 by 3. Substitute minus 2 by 3. Simplify nana. K into x square minus 5 by 3 into x plus into minus minus 2 by 3. So LCM nana. K into 3x square minus 5x minus 2 totally by 3. Okay, we can put different values of k. Here denominator 3 nana. So when k is equal to, okay nana, when k is equal to, put different values of k. So when k is equal to 3, 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 so that is equal to, substitute k value 3 nana. 3 into 3x square minus 5x minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel. Remaining polynomial 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Therefore required quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay students, thank you.